Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family. And I believe that guys, you are all doing good, my friend, as we are ending this year with the style. This is TFX company. We still appreciate and we really appreciate you guys for working close with us. And we thank you for this year. And we are looking forward to work with you more because remember we promised that our goal or our intention was to make sure that our client, they will become a full-time traders by next year so that we can work on the same page and milk market together. So we wish you, we as the TFX company, we wish you a happy Merry Christmas and also a blessing New Year 2023. Guys, in this video, I just want to clarify some stuffs here, and I'm going to use our TFX multi-trader because it's the latest in the market. I'm just going to give an example with our TFX multi-trader EA. And I just want to clear doubts because I have been saying this in so many videos that it is good to purchase or to buy the system that you understand how it works. I know people have been scammed there outside, and by purchasing through the result that they, the only thing a scammer can do, it is to attract you with the result. Some of the results are very, very edited, and because people are that greedy, or that will make you fall easier into their trap, because what will be motivating you, it is the result. But let me tell you, to be honest with you, what you are supposed to know before purchasing the system, it is how the system works and what kind of a strategy does that system or the EA does. Because in the Forex market, it's all about the strategies. We don't collect free money in Forex market. There is no that easy money everywhere in this world. So in Forex market, in order to make a good profit or to make money in Forex market, you must have a strategy. You must strategize yourself manually, or you must have the Forex basics in order to understand why or what you should do in order to milk market or money in Forex market. And this is the trap that many don't understand. And this is why people have been falling in the trap of the scammers, because you are attracted with the result. Even though we share the results on our Telegram channel, we don't do that to attract you guys. We do that in order for you to see that our system are working. Not only that, after explaining in a video how the system works, we show the result of how the system, surely the performance of the system. Now, that is not important to you than to know how the system is working and to have the Forex basics, at least they can guide you to look for the system that suits your strategy or the profitable strategies in Forex market that can help you make money. So that when you are going to purchase the system anywhere, even if it is not in the TFX family, at least you have a know-how of the system that you are looking for. Right, guys? I just want to make sense to you because, and to clear doubt and to explain details about the system. And if surely you are a trader or you have a Forex basics, which I believe too, you can agree with me that the TFX company is the best because we don't just program the EAs, we program the EAs according to profitable strategy in Forex market. When it comes to strategy, we are talking about the analysis that you are supposed to be doing manually before taking any trade or position. A lot of people, a big number, it is all about the price action. So before they take the trade, they have to analyze chart after chart, doing a good price action analysis before taking the trades. And when it comes to programming, the system should be, and it must be, with the strategy. Not just, it can't just be there like gambling in the market. There is nothing like gambling in the market, guys. It must have the strategy. It must be programmed, strategized by the professional, and you can't do this without even knowing how to trade it manually. Sorry for that. The other thing you should keep in your mind is that there is nothing like 100% system in the whole Forex market. We know that because this is why even in our resort there in our Telegram, you'll see some trades are in red, right? And some in profit, right? But at least our system, they are more than 95% accuracy. And we have programmed our system with a low risk ratio, which means that you can't lose more than 3% of your account in every position. So because we train people to use good money management, and this is what we do even in our manual, especially the TFX MT4 manual Nairobi to plus the Agatha, not Agatha, plus the Ambacas, you can't trade against the market, and it will hunt even the news, and the risk ratio in every position, it is less than 3%, to make sure that all traders will be disciplined even with our manual system to make sure that, guys, you are profitable, you are not blowing your account, you are not misbehaving in Forex market, you don't go against the market, you trade professionally, and the system, even if it is a manual, it will train you a lot. And remember, we still have the offer for Christmas offer. If you purchase any of the EA, whether for MT5, and you would like to have the MT4 Nairobi manual plus the Ambacas, you will get it for free. The system that is going with $449, and with this Christmas offer, we are giving with the 2 license in any system that you purchase. If you purchase the EA, you get 2 license, and it can be from different details or account. It can be from 2 people, different details. So it can be linked with the one EA. So you are very lucky, guys, to have us. Now let us proceed and see what is this that the TFX or DFXS are saying that their system, they are programmed professionally according to the price action. I want to go step by step by analyzing or by sharing the details. For example, for this TFX multi-trader, how the multi-trader analyzed the market, then you can judge for yourself. And I do believe I'm talking to people who have Forex basics. So I know you know what you are doing, and you know the price action, you know, blah, blah, blah. You know the analysis that you are supposed to know in order to be making money in Forex market. Now, our system, let's talk now, let us focus now on this TFX multi-trader. Let's say, for instance, and remember, you can trade anything provided in MT4 platform, whether it is gold, whether it is US30, whether anything you wish to, you can trade with our system. Let us analyze with this file. Number 1, you just click file. As simple as that. According to any pair or any index that you are trading, you just use 1 click, and the file will create everything. And I have been saying this. If you have clicked the file and you haven't seen the EA here, or the robot doesn't show the emoji here, smiling emoji at this corner, know that things are not okay. So repeat the same process again, because it must reflect at this place. So all you need to do, you go back to this gold chart, then replace again that template. Then when you go to gold again, you'll find that it has bring the TFX multi-trader, or any EA that you are using. It must reflect, or it must show this part with an emoji. The second thing you must do, let us go to tools, go to option. You must go here to expert advisor and make sure you allow automated trading, allow the DDL, and also this web request, and again click OK. Now our EA is ready to start hunting or trading on your behalf, but it must do the analysis that you are supposed to be doing manually. Our EA will be doing the analysis for you. Now, let us see if this EA surely it is a price action EA, or it analyzes the market correctly before taking any trade. Because this is what should clear your doubts, because you must know what type or what kind of an EA you are purchasing. Don't just purchase the EA there outside because of their result. My friend, you'll fall in a lot of traps there from the scammers, because you don't know what you are looking for. But if you know what you are looking for, then you know what is the best for you. So, number one, let us go to our goal here. This is a weekly time frame. That is point number one. Why does this EA start with a weekly time frame? Let us double click here to our Renko file and find that we have a Renko time frame here. You can I really like to use daily or a weekly. So today we are going to analyze about the daily, because that is what I use by default. So if you want to use daily or not daily or 4 hours, that is up to you. But if you follow my instruction, my default setting are the best. So we are going to use our daily. So this is why our weekly, sorry. This is why you find that we are now on our weekly time frame, because that is how the EA will pick automatically. Let us go here to US 30 again. You don't just go to a weekly. You just click this file and automatically it will create a weekly time frame. It will jump there, because that is where it's now analyzing the market from. Are you getting my point? You can see now we were in 1 hour time frame. Or can I repeat this again, because maybe someone didn't notice that we were did not notice that we were in 1 hour time frame, right? It doesn't matter even if you can be in 15 minutes, but the moment you will insert our TFX file, automatically it will jump to a weekly time frame, because we all know, guys, we all know that the best analysis should be from the big time frame before taking trades in small time frame. So again, we repeat here, because we can see we don't see our EA here. So we go back to our US 30 again and replace that template with the file. And when we go back here, you can see now we have a TFX multi-trader EA with a smiling emoji. All right, let's go back. We all know, guys, that a good analysis, you'll be, I think you have been hearing this. I believe you have been hearing this, because if you are a trader, you must know these basics. The good analysis should be from the monthly, from weekly, before taking even trades in small time frame, right? So our EA, this is why it's picking, it start analyzing the market here from a weekly time frame. And don't forget, our EA also, when it jumps to a Renko chart, it must be from monthly to minute one, right? Now, let's go back to this place. You'll find that we have a resistance here, and we also have a support at this point. We all know the bigger time frame, the more you have a support or resistance from the bigger time frame, the more accurate signal it will be in a small time frame. And this system, it's so accurate and so professional because it will do all analysis, chart analysis, and it will also do a Renko analysis. So it is all in one. Remember that it is all in one. Any of our system that you'll find that it has a handle setting. Let me show you. Whenever you find this handle, whenever you find this name handle, know that our EA analyzes from candle charts to Renko charts, right, guys? So now here, it has analyzed and see this is a good support from daily time frame, weekly time frame. This is a support. It was a resistance at this point when the market was dropping. Now we are coming from this resistance support, and you can see the market in this week, the market was still going up smoothly after detecting these supports. All right, guys, and you must show these lines. They are very, very important, these lines, because those are where the robot analyze the market from, not only from these indicators, because a lot of indicators there, they do deceive people a lot. This is why I told you, you can't just program an indicator and release it online free. You must think twice, guys. Why free? And the way these things take time before completing to programming the indicators. This is why we have our own Renko analysis for support and resistance. And let me remind you one thing here before we proceed. There are some people who really want to know if our indicators repaint, because I do believe they are asking that out of experience of how they have been using repainting indicators. And I told you in another video there, we don't care about the repainting indicator. And I said, if you know one of the indicators that repaints much, that gives false signals, contact me so that you can send me that indicator, because it will be the best for us to use that indicators for our signal. Because the more indicators repaint, the more it makes things easier for us to know how to work with it using our EAs by using a reversal signal. So when indicator says buys, a lot of indicators, they don't buy at that moment. They must go back a very long place before going into that direction. And that's what we want. So where if the indicators, our TFX indicator repaints, that can be our joy, because we have the solution of that. And if they are not repainting, well and good, we are still milking the market the way it should be. So don't worry about repainting. If it is repainting, that is the best thing. Let us proceed, guys. Now you can see our EA will analyze the market from weekly and know if we are coming from support or we are coming from the resistance. Let's go to our Renko file. When now again it goes to our Renko file, you will find that now here, let's say for here we are using this Agatha. You can see we are having now the 13 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, blah, 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 because this is where now we want to do, or we want the EA to be taking the position or the trades. So by having this resistance, it tells you it has analyzed from the weekly now, from the monthly, from minute one, and give you the perfect resistance or support that it must say the same thing with this one of the candle chart. So if we are coming from the support now, it will be looking for only buys. It will only buy at this point, buy another here, another one here. It won't sell. If even the weekly, it is saying it is a buy thing, here in our Renko chart, it can only buy. That is not enough. Let's go back at this point. We all know about, when doing analysis, you must know about the candlesticks or the candle patterns. And this is where doing analysis manually, a lot of people get tired because it is not that easy to analyze the weekly, monthly, 4 hours, daily, and again analyze which candle pattern is there in a daily time frame. Let us go to this gold because let us set here a daily time frame, right? I want to show you why daily here. I want to show you why daily time frame here, because if we were looking for a candle pattern for 4 hours, we can just analyze here. But I believe in my EA here, the candle pattern, it is for the daily. Let me confirm this. Yeah, it is from the daily. This is a 100 time frame. So this tells you now, after doing all this analysis, it is not enough. It will go now because maybe you want to do some special trading in a Renko chart. It will also now, this is the weekly, it will go to a daily time frame to look if we have this reversals candle like this one, right? You can see them. They are there. Those people who have read about the candlestick patterns. Let me see if I have, I don't know whether it is this one. I think it is that one. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. As you can see, I'm using this indicator so that it can make things easier to you. Though this indicator sometimes miss some reversal candles like this one, but don't worry about that because the EA is programmed professionally to read all these candles. But I will use the one that it has shown at this place as an example. Now, let us see this one, because when we go here to weekly, we are coming from the support. So the EA is looking for a buy on our Renko chart, and that is not enough. So it will be looking a candle pattern in a daily time frame. If we also have a candle pattern for bullish, which indicates another buy. So analyzing support and resistance, it's not enough. The most important thing, it is to look for that candle pattern. And you can see it shows us here. Remember, we have a weekly support there. Now you can see it has shown us here we have a bullish, a golfing, a bullish, a golfing. So this means that it will be a good buy, right? Because it has analyzed the market support, resistance, support from a weekly time frame, and also in a Renko chart, it has analyzed the market from monthly to minute one, and it won't just buy if there is no a confirmation also of a candle pattern. You can see here we have also a bullish, a bull cross, which indicates also a momentum, a buy momentum. Now, let us go to our EA again here. You can see, where is this, our candles? Let's look for them. You can see they're here. You can see we have a bull cross and bear cross. We have a golf ring. We have a rami. We have a dark crowd. We have a piercing. And we have a black soldiers. Some calls them black brothers. They have a lot of names here. We call them soldiers and crows. Soldiers and crows are those for bearish and bullish. For black brothers, dark brothers. You can name them according to the basics that you have. But this one are the three candles that indicates a strong momentum for buy or sell. You know them, black soldiers, black brothers. I do believe you have those basics. This is why I'm saying I'm talking to people who knows at least basics to clear their doubt that our system are so professional when it comes to analyze the market. They can do better than what you can do manually. So they can check for all these for our candle patterns because they are so strong, they are so reliable in Forex market when they are analyzed correctly from big time frame. All right, this is why we have set it here for a daily, and you can set also 4 hours. 4 hours and daily, they are the best candle patterns when it comes to chart analysis, candlestick analysis, so that you can pick the trades professionally without missing them. This is why our results also are so credible, because my friend, the EA analyzed the market correctly. So you can see now, it will analyze the market professionally according to everything that is needed there, whether it is candles, whether it is patterns, whether everything there, whether it is support, ABCD, it will do it professionally. Again, that is not enough. We all know that we have this crossing. We have our TM. I know you know it, right? We have an ATM. Let me bring the ATM here, because you don't have to attach it, but let me bring it here. This tells you, even if it has analyzed the candle, analyzed support, analyzed the standing daily, blah, 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 it is still not enough if there is no these, again, indicators for showing now a buy. So it is not just a buy because the indicators has appeared or it has detected this indicator, because we don't have to attach this one, right? It will be plain, but I'm showing this as a good example. So when these indicators now is detected, this tells you it has done a lot of analysis before taking the trade. So this one, it's a confirmation now, buy. Then the EA will buy from that point. Right? Let's go to another one. The another one here is for the TM. Where is our TM? Our TM is here, right? Again, it will analyze the market after the support, candle pattern, blah, blah, everything again, the changing color of this one, then boom, it will take the trade to use that one or this one, the crossing of these two TM. This is where this EA will take. When we are saying the TM, it will use the crossing of these two TM at this point. Then I do believe now you are getting what I'm saying. It will do all those analyses before taking this trade. Again, it will read the crossing of this TM. Again, it has the crossing of 2 moving average. It has the crossing of 3 moving average, which we call them star. Right? We have 2 moving average, 3 moving average, and we have a arrow, which is this arrow. Let me show you. We have this arrow. Where is it? Yeah, it is this one, right? You can see. Let me delete some here. Don't get confused, guys, right? I'm doing all this because I want to clear people, some people's doubt, because hey, my friend, I want to know. You don't know what you are looking for. And what you are looking for, guys, it is what the EA that analyzed the market before taking the trades. The things that you would have done it manually. It is good if you have that knowledge, if you have that idea. At least now you know that this EA, it will do analysis before taking the trades. This is what you should be looking for. At least have the basics, at least have the knowledge, at least have the information of which analysis or which strategies that works the best in Forex market. So this is why our EA are the best, because they will analyze the market before taking the trades. They can't just take trades because they are programmed, because they are there. No, this is why I'm sharing these details, to clear people's doubt, to help you understand that you don't need more information or more proof. You need to have a know-how of what works in Forex market, then look for it. If you don't see it in TFX family, look at there outside. I'm just giving you a good information. Yeah, I'm making you wise so that you can understand what you are looking for. Look for what at least you have an idea of, not because of the result. There is a lot of editing things, and I know a lot of people have lost money. You have fallen in trap for results. My friend, know the basics of Forex market. Know how things work, right? So you can see, again, it will work at this point, right? After all analysis. Now, let us go to the last one. The last one is only for the formation and handle, right? The one for the formation, it is very easy. After doing all analysis, it will look for this again formation. It must make sure that we are coming from the support on a weekly time frame. It must make sure that on a daily time frame or for hours we have a candle pattern. It must make sure on a Renko chart the analysis are done correctly, and everything is saying buy. Everything. Then when everything said the same thing, then the EA will take the position. Another good thing, if it is this for MT4, because we have for both MT4 and MT5, if it is for MT4 or trading normal currencies, when it finds these spikes, that's most of the time they are happening because of the news event, those red news, it will hunt those news. So it cannot let your account be blown. It will hunt those news, and you will always be safe. And remember, the risk ratio is still by default less than from 3 and below % of every position. So you need to understand this correctly. So for those people who have been falling in the trap of the scammers, now you know that you must buy something according to the basics, at least the idea you have in the Forex market. Am I not a good person, guys, to make you understand or be wise in Forex market? Because there is a lot of traps there outside. So you really need to know what you're looking for. The other thing, let me clear some people's doubts. The other thing, which is very important, if you find that, let's say for instance, because in case, but this one is to clear the doubt. If you find that all these indicators here, they are false. When they say buy, they sell. When they say sell, they buy. If you find something like that in our system, don't worry. Don't worry about that. Just make things simple to our EAs. Look for this. Look for this. If the decision to go long or short will be reversed. So all you want to do here, this option, I allowed this one to be like this one because I noticed there is some system we released with only these details, but the details should be reverse condition, or it should be the reversed signal. So if you find the reverse signal or reverse condition, that is okay. If you find that it is written that if the decision to go long or and short will be reversed, then that is the option that I'm talking about. So if you find that all these are false signal, then activate this one into true, right? If you activate that one into true, this tells you if then the indicators are repainting, instead of buying, it starts selling from that moment, then that is a good chance for you. Instead of taking buy, it will be picking sell. That is in case for those people maybe doubts, for those people who believe that every indicator repaints, those people who think that we haven't worked good enough for our indicators, those people think that they know our indicators or they know these indicators from online there, And because we have some indicators that they are free there, some we bought them and some we program them by our own. So if you're familiar with some of our indicators and maybe you know them, they are outside and you know they repaint much, my friend, that is not a problem when it comes to our EA. It can only be a problem when you are trading manually, but not with our manual, because our manual can't allow you trade against, right? So if you find out, if you think that maybe this indicator, I know it, I have worked with it, or I have shown it somewhere and it repaints much, my friend, that is a golden opportunity when it comes to our EA, because our reverse condition, our reversed signal will be working professionally perfect with that. You just set that setting for activated into true, then from there, instead of buying, it will be selling. Now guys, I want you to judge for yourself. Now tell me what else do you want? I have said, if you think these indicators repaint, we have the reverse condition that will taking the trades against the market. If you think that this is just an EA, I have shared with you now how our EA analyze the market before taking trades. And I believe if you have the Forex basics, if you have learned something about, if you have an idea of trading, now you know that there is no fear when purchasing our system, because every problem, every situation, every analysis, everything, it has been catered off by these EAs. And this tells you, if you think everything repaint, you don't have any excuse. This is why when people ask there, does this thing repaint? I don't answer those stuffs, because I know we have taken care of all those stuff. So if they repaint, that is our golden opportunity. If you find anything repaint much there, bring it to us and we'll program, and it will be unimaginable, because it will be trading professional. So I do believe, guys, now you can't hear any rumors there or haters there. Oh, those things doesn't work. If this doesn't work, what else works in Forex market? If those analysis, professional price action, reading even from the candle pattern doesn't work, then what works in Forex market? Then tell me what works. Yeah, I do believe now you understand why people are scammed there, because they buy people's results. They don't buy what they know. They don't buy what they know. They buy people's results, and people's results will never help you. People's results is their money. Some people are good. If they gamble and make good money, you think that is their strategy? No, you must have the basics, then look for what you want. And by that, I do believe now you'll get a good rest knowing that now I have got what I've been looking for. I don't have to learn more about Forex. I have the TFX multi-trader that analyze everything for you. And if things goes wrong, blah, 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 they have an option there for reverse signal and everything will be perfect. So I do believe now, guys, you can't fall in people's trap. You can't fall in any, in the hands of scammers, because now I have already awakened you that you must know what you are looking for. And I believe it is there in TFX family. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. And I believe now you, my friend, prepare yourself. Do take this golden opportunity. We are running out of days. Today is date 12, my friend. The offer is almost done, my friend. Catch up this or grab this golden opportunity and have your system and transform your financial status once and for all. Thank you so much. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.